Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Story with AS. Today, we're going to unlock one of the biggest secrets of fluent speakers: how to grow your American English vocabulary the smart way. Most learners believe vocabulary comes only from memorizing word lists or reading thick dictionaries. But that's not true. Fluent English speakers use strategies, not stress. They learn new words naturally, like collecting small treasures every day. So, if you've ever asked yourself, how can I sound more fluent, more natural, and more American? This video is for you. Stay with me until the end. I'll share 7 powerful vocabulary strategies that can truly change the way you learn. Strategy 1. Learn words in context, not in isolation. Here's the truth: memorizing random words doesn't work. If you learn the word run alone, your brain forgets it. But if you see it inside a sentence, I run every morning before breakfast, your brain connects it to meaning, sound, and image. That's how native speakers learn, through context. So next time you read or listen to something in English, notice how words are used together. Look for short phrases like run late, run a business, run out of time. Each phrase gives run a new meaning. Learning in context doesn't just give you words, it gives you real English. Strategy 2. Build word families. When you learn one word, don't stop there. Learn its family members. For example, happy, happiness, unhappy, happily. From one root, you get 4 useful words. That's vocabulary power. If you know create, then also learn creation, creative, and creativity. When you expand in families, you build stronger connections and remember words longer. A simple daily routine: every time you learn one new word, write 2 or 3 family words next to it. Soon, your vocabulary will multiply like branches on a tree. Strategy 3. Use visual memory. Your brain loves pictures. If you only see a word, it may fade. But if you see it and visualize it, it stays. Imagine the word storm. Don't just say storm. Picture dark clouds, loud thunder, heavy rain. Now the word storm becomes alive. To make this habit easy, use flashcards with images, not translations. Apps like Anki or Quizlet are great for this, but even a small notebook with doodles works. Every visual connection makes your memory stronger and your English faster. Strategy 4. Listen and imitate. To build American English vocabulary, your ears are your best teachers. Listen to podcasts, movies, or YouTube videos spoken in standard American English. Pay attention not only to what they say but how they say it. Repeat phrases out loud. If you hear, that's awesome, say it too. Imitate the tone, rhythm, and emotion. This is called shadowing. It's one of the most effective ways to sound natural and remember new expressions. When you speak words aloud, you involve your mouth, ears, and memory, 3 powerful learning tools working together. Strategy 5. Connect words to emotions. Fluent speakers don't just know words, they feel them. When you hear love, think of someone you care about. When you learn disappointed, recall a time you felt let down. Emotions make words personal, and when something feels personal, your brain keeps it forever. If you connect words with your real experiences, you won't just know English, you'll live it. Try this tonight, before sleeping. Review 5 new words and think, when have I felt this? It's a simple exercise, but it turns English from study to story. Strategy 6. Read and listen to what you love. Here's a truth many learners miss: you don't have to read boring textbooks to grow your vocabulary. Love cooking? Read food blogs in English. Love sports? Follow American sports podcasts. Love movies? Read short film reviews or watch behind-the-scenes videos. When you read or listen to what excites you, you pay attention longer, you understand faster, and you remember naturally. Vocabulary learning is like exercise: if you enjoy it, you'll keep doing it. And consistency always beats intensity. So choose topics that bring you joy, not pressure. Strategy 7. Use new words immediately. The fastest way to lose a word is to learn it and never use it. So use new words as soon as you can. If you learn, challenge. Try saying, "Learning English is my favorite challenge." If you learn confident, say, "I feel confident speaking English today." Write short posts, journal entries, or even text messages using your new words. Language grows through use, not through memorization. Make it a rule: every new word lives only when you speak or write it. Now, here's a bonus tip that few people talk about: don't aim to learn hundreds of words quickly. Aim to master a few deeply. If you learn just 5 new words every day, and use them, that's 150 words a month. In 1 year, you'll know more than 1,800 words. That's enough to hold conversations, watch movies, and read daily English content comfortably. Remember, vocabulary growth is not a race, it's a rhythm. Let's review what we learned today. Point 1. Learn words in context. Point 2. Build word families. Point 3. Use visual memory. Point 4. Listen and imitate. Point 5. Connect words to emotions. Point 6. Read and listen to what you love. Point 7. Use new words immediately. Each strategy may seem small, but together, they form a powerful system, the same one fluent speakers use every day. You don't need a perfect accent, you don't need a huge word list, you just need consistent action. When you start to use these strategies daily, something amazing happens. English stops feeling like a foreign language. It becomes part of your thinking, your personality, your life. So, tomorrow morning, pick one of these habits and begin. Maybe listen to a short English podcast, maybe read one paragraph from your favorite blog. Maybe write 3 new words in your diary and use them in a sentence. Whatever you choose, remember, your goal is not to study English, your goal is to live English. Fluency grows from daily moments, not just study hours, and every word you learn brings you one step closer to confidence, clarity, and connection. Thank you for joining me today, my friends. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps this channel growing, just like your vocabulary. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep speaking with confidence that you're not just learning English, you're building your future, one word at a time. Bye for now.